Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best winter crafts is probably one of the most creative and engaging ways to keep your kids aged 8 to 12 entertained and learning during the cold winter months, offering a fantastic opportunity to boost their fine motor skills, spark their imaginations, and create cherished keepsakes while strengthening family bonds through shared creative experiences. These fun and educational activities will not only keep them occupied but also foster a love for arts and crafts that will last a lifetime. Number 5. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. Unleash your child's inner artist with this complete rock painting kit. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up, fostering creativity and self-expression. Watch them ditch the screens and embrace the joy of rock painting. This kit provides hours of creative fun while developing artistic skills. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic activity for kids of all ages. Get incredible value with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything your child needs and more, exceeding similar products on the market. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee. A 100% refund or free replacement is offered if you encounter any issues. What we like? This kit is packed with rocks, paints, glitter, and more. If you're looking for a rock painting kit with tons of supplies to keep kids busy for hours, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love arts and crafts and want a great value for their money. What people say? Colors were bright, supplies all in the box, great gift and entertainment for her. They started out painting rocks for over 2 hours, left for an hour and went back to painting some more. They painted so many rocks. This was hours and hours of entertainment. There is enough paint and gems and accessories for each kit. 12 actually smooth rocks, fun gems, stickers, and transfers. There was 2 paint brushes and a sponge. Number 4. Max Fun Christmas Scratch Art. It's Christmas time. Let your kids express their creativity with this amazing scratch art set. It's fun, easy, and perfect for the holidays. You'll receive 48 scratch papers with 12 unique Christmas patterns, 48 cords, 24 wooden styluses, and 6 colorful markers. Everything you need for hours of fun. Simply use the wooden stylus to scratch away the black surface and reveal a rainbow of colors. It's that simple. Made with non-toxic materials, it's safe for kids of all ages. The thick paper won't tear easily, ensuring hours of creative fun. These colorful ornaments are perfect for Christmas parties, stocking stuffers, classroom prizes, or holiday decorations. They add a personal touch to your celebrations. With various Christmas designs like Santa, reindeer, snowflakes, and Christmas trees, they can create unique and personalized ornaments. Let their imagination run wild. What we like? With 48 scratch-off cards, there's plenty for everyone to create unique Christmas ornaments. If you are looking for a fun and easy Christmas craft activity, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for holiday parties or stocking stuffers. What people say? The Christmas Craft Scratch Art Set features an array of charming and festive designs that captivated the kids' imagination. From Santa Claus and snowflakes to Christmas trees and reindeer, the variety in the set ensures that every child can find a design that sparks their holiday creativity. The scratch paper is of high quality, ensuring clean and smooth scratching for intricate designs. The rainbow effect is mesmerizing and adds an extra layer of excitement to the crafting experience. The inclusion of hanging cards in this set takes the crafting experience to the next level. Once kids have revealed their colorful creations, they can easily turn them into festive ornaments to decorate the Christmas tree or share with friends and family. The set comes complete with strings, making it a hassle-free process. Number 3. Hapinest Clay Handprint Bowl Kit. It's a complete DIY kit, perfect for kids aged 6 and up. Let them create personalized handprint bowls, a fun and unique keepsake. The kit comes with 36 colorful clay blocks, a roller, a cutting tool, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's simple and ready to use. With 12 vibrant colors to choose from, each bowl will be one of a kind. Mix and swirl the colors for a personalized touch. It's more than just a craft, it's a memorable experience that enhances creativity and fine motor skills. A perfect gift for any occasion. If the clay feels too firm, warm it up by kneading it with warm hands. For best results, Bake it at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes and let it cool completely. These handprint bowls are not only fun to make, but they also become cherished keepsakes. They're both beautiful and functional. What we like? Make personalized handprint bowls with this kit. If you're looking for a memorable and creative craft project, this kit is perfect. It's a great way to create lasting keepsakes and is ideal for birthdays or special occasions. What people say? Amazing, way better than expected. We made different shapes. The clay did not come out like dishware, sort of easily breakable as I expected, which was great. It sort of formed like a bendable plastic result, which is nice because it can tolerate different designs and wear. Loved doing this. I was able to make 6 hands with my 3-year-old's hand. This will be Christmas gifts for most of ladies in our life to put earrings, rings, etc. Number 2. Christmas Beaded Ornament Kit. It's the perfect family activity. This kit has everything you need to create beautiful beaded ornaments for the holidays. With 40 pieces, you can make 20 wreaths, 10 candy canes, 5 snowmen, and 5 Christmas trees. Get creative and personalize them. Simple steps guide you through creating each ornament. Even beginners can make stunning decorations. String together green and red beads using a chenille stem, tie a bow, and attach it to a ribbon. It's that easy. It's a great activity for family gatherings, parties, or group events. Everyone will love making these ornaments together. Use them to decorate your Christmas tree, gifts, or give them as unique presents. They add a special touch to any celebration. What we like? Create 40 unique beaded ornaments with this kit. If you're looking for a fun group craft activity, this is perfect for parties or family gatherings. The ornaments can be used to decorate trees, gifts, or anything else you can think of. What people say? Easy instructions. Great price. This kept the kids busy for hours on Thanksgiving. Kids loved the kit. Instructions were pretty clear and kit had all materials. Granddaughters love these, very easy to make. Number 1. Hapinest DIY Mini Magnets. Get ready for hours of fun with this all-inclusive DIY magnet making kit. It has everything you need to create your own unique magnets. This kit includes mini magnetic tiles, googly eyes, magnets, paint, a paintbrush, foam squares, glue, and a paint palette. Plus, easy-to-follow instructions. With 11 unique designs to choose from, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Let your imagination run wild. Design colorful magnets to decorate your fridge, locker, or magnetic board. They're perfect for expressing your creativity. It's a fun and engaging activity for birthdays, playdates, or family fun nights. The compact size makes it an ideal party favor or gift bag addition. Suitable for kids aged 8 and up, this kit provides hours of creative fun. It's a great way to spark imagination and develop fine motor skills. What we like? This kit lets you create your own mini magnets. If you are looking for a fun and easy craft project that results in cute, usable items, this is it. The small size makes it perfect for party favors or birthday gifts. What people say? Kids get bored, so a recent gathering called for an activity. From ages 3 to 10 we spread out the tiles, paint, brushes and added a few bowls of water and relished the choices of subject, colors, and talent. Bought this as a project for my 3rd grader, she loved it and so did her 7th grade cousin. Came with everything you need, was easy to set up, make a few magnets in an hour, clean up and put away till next time. The glue might be dried up by the next time we use it, but everything else will be fine. Make sure the paints are fully closed. She loved the step-by-step samples they sent, so she had an example to copy. The kids loved making these magnets. Lots of fun and not expensive at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.